Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap a Ford Bronco. First, let's get your Bronco ready for its new look. You'll need to gather essential tools like a heat gun, squeegees, and sharp cutting knives. Next, thoroughly clean the Bronco's surface with an isopropyl alcohol solution to ensure optimal adhesion. Don't forget to remove any emblems, trim, or other accessories that could get in the way of a smooth wrap application. Now, let's get to applying the vinyl. Start with the flatter, larger panels, working from the center outwards to prevent air bubbles. A heat gun is your best friend here. Use it to gently stretch and conform the vinyl around those tricky curves and complex contours. When joining panels, ensure you overlap them by at least 1/4 inch for a seamless and durable finish. With the vinyl applied, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully trim any excess vinyl using a sharp knife, leaving a small margin for tucking. This margin allows you to neatly tuck the edges into seams and crevices, creating a clean, professional, and long-lasting appearance. Finally, apply post-heating to all wrapped areas to fully activate the adhesive and prevent any future lifting. To keep your wrapped Bronco looking its best, proper care is essential. Wait at least 48 hours before washing the vehicle, allowing the adhesive to fully cure. When cleaning, hand wash your Bronco using mild soap and water, and always avoid abrasive brushes or harsh chemicals. Regularly inspect your wrap for any signs of lifting or damage, and address these issues promptly to maintain its pristine condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.